Johann Georg Wenrich, 13 October 1787 in Schäßburg, 15 May 1847 in Vienna, was an Austrian orientalist and theologian. He worked as a schoolteacher at the Evangelical gymnasium in Hermannstadt, where he later served as school director. In 1821 he was named professor of biblical literature at the Faculty of Protestant Theology at the University of Vienna. He is credited with giving the first lectures on Sanskrit at the university. In 1847 he was appointed to the Academy of Sciences in Vienna, Kaiserliche Akademie der Wissenschaften in Wien. However, he died on May 15, before he had received news of the honor. Selected works: Johann Wachter, als Mensch, als Diener des Staats unter Kirche, Biography of Johann Wachter, 1831. De Octorum Graecorum Versionibus et Commentarius Arabicis, Armeniacis Persicis Commentatio, 1842. De Passeos Hebraici et Arabici Origine, Indole, Mutuo Consensu et Discrimen Commentatio, 1843. Rerum Aberrabibus in Italia Insulis Gagis Entibus, Sicilia Maxim, Sardinia et Corsica Gestorum Commentarii, 1845. References